Shalum, brothers of Yasharal. For too long, the world has told us who we are. It has shown us a broken image of manhood, a shadow of what Yahuwah created us to be. But we are not of this world. We are men of Yasharal. We are Yahuwah's remnant, and the time for restoration is now. This is not just another series. This is your daily food for the Ruah, to renew your mind with Torah truth. A 10-day journey to rebuild the very core of who you are, according to Yahuwah's word. For 10 days, we will stand on 10 unshakable pillars. 1. Your true identity and calling, knowing you are a chosen man of Yasharal. 2. Covenant strength and courage, replacing fear with the power of Yahuwah. 3. Righteous leadership and responsibility, leading as a servant in your home and community. 4. Deep healing and forgiveness, breaking the chains of past wounds. 5. The mantle of fatherhood and family, rebuilding the house of Yasharal. 6. Unshakable Amunah and obedience, walking by Amunah, not by sight. 7. Solid integrity and character, being the same man in public and in private. 8. Qadash brotherhood and unity, standing as one with your brothers. 9. Divine Hokmah, wisdom and discernment, seeing the world through Yahuwah's eyes. 10. Your total victory and restoration, walking in the Barak YAHUAH as the head and not the tail. Each day, you will receive a 5-minute video with 10 targeted affirmations and a PDF to download. Speak them out loud. Declare them. Let your ears hear your mouth decreeing the truth of who you are. Repeat them throughout the day. Healing comes with doing. Your restoration starts now. Subscribe, set your notification, and prepare to engage in your healing and restoration. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.